Ko Nore mātana hau, he uri no mitimiti mo te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi kei taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hi ika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe Tangaroa.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, he haerere moana, I runga I a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, kei Te Hiku o Te Ika māua ko taku karangarua a Mātene Cleave.
Get it done, bro. We're good to go.
E hi ana I ngā kōheru hei maunu ora.
There we go, cousin.
Ā, ka aru hoki I ngā warehenga.
Oh, go on, bro.
He nui te whawhai a Mātene.
I don't think this is a kingy, bro. Could be a tuna, bro. Fish on.
Mēara wake, ka tai te wā kia hau. Tangaroa Kiokio rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. A time of surging energy and a great time for fishing. E tā marama, tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi Te Ika e ai ki te maramataka. I te rānei, kei Te Hiku o Te Ika hau, ā e haere ana hau ki te tūtaki, ki taku karangarua a Mātene Cleave. Ko te wahanga o te maramataka I te rānei, ko Tangaroa Kiokio. I whiti mai a Tangaroa Kiokio I te ata pōnei, ā kei runga tonu tērā marama I te rangi I te ata nei. We're on a mission, hoping to catch some warehenga, maybe some tāmure, and if we're lucky, we might get in the water to see if we can get some kina. Whānau, I'm really excited to be out during this phase, in these mint conditions. Can't wait. Nō reira, kia mau tonu mai. Oi, te whānau, tinoa tāhua te rā. Kei konei ahau, kei poke nui, kei te wāpū nei. Ko rite mai te poti. Tatari ana Mātene kia puta atu māua, haere ki te hi I tēnei wahanga tino whaihua o te maramataka, ko Tangaroa Kiokio, tērā te marama tōna mata e ki te tonu ana I te rangi I te wānei. Engari, hariko ana hau e puta ana ki te hi. Because it's a beautiful day, the weather conditions are perfect, but it's always important to still do our karakia before we head out, not just for the weather and safety, but also that maybe the fish will bite better too.
Yeah, kia ora, bro.
Nō reira, ko tāo tēnā. Tangaroa tēnei e mihi ana ki a koe I te rānei. E tuku karanga atu ki a koe manaki tia mai māua I runga I te moana. I roto I ngā mahi moana, te mahi hi, te haere pai, te hoki pai mai. Haumi e hui e, tāiki e. That's us, cousin.
Let's get it done, bro.
We're good to go. Ciao. Ko hauhora te waharoa ki ngā waihirahira o Te Hiku o Te Ika mo te mahi hi. E manako nui ana hau mā ngā tohu o Tangaroa Kiokio, ka tāia e māua ngā ika te mau. Ko te mahi tuatahi ko te hopu koheru hei maunu ora, he kaireka mā te warehenga.
And the fact that cousin Nore and I are heading up to Muri Whenua, we're going to get blue kowies. Now to get blue kowies, you need burley. You need lots of it. What we're going to do, we're going to burley this here. Probably in about 5-10 minutes, we're going to get a whole lot of blue koheru come in. Those are going to be our baits for big fish. What fish they are going to be, all we want is kai mō te whānau, kai mō te tepu. That's all we want. Other thing is, although we've got a bait tank here, we love using these edge bags. I've got the deck wash going straight into it. Pump that right up. Big bag, lots of room. They'll stay alive longer.
So whānau, to catch blue koheru, you normally need specific jigs. These are little flea-type jigs. They're only tiny. What happens, you drop them down into the burley as the kōhiru are coming in. Sometimes they can be a little bit timid and won't hit these, and then you have to come up with another plan. I know in the past I've had my cast net, thrown it out, managed to get a few. So if they're not going to hit these today, we'll come up with another plan, maybe use the scoop net and see if we can get a couple that way.
Ki te hopu kōheru, mea ta mānawa, mā te maunu konatu ka whakamanea mai te tini.
Whānau, we've been here about 10 minutes. We've had the burley out. Had a few blue maumau turn up, but we've finally seen the blue kōheru here. A couple of little arara kahawai as well. Just hopefully these little jigs will catch them.
Me tākirihia ngā maunu mētara ka tika ki te whakapuapua te ngau a ngā kōheru.
Whānau, managed to hook one. Hopefully I can just get it into the boat. Oh, yes.
Shot, cousin.
That whānau is a beautiful, just beautiful, beautiful bait. Actually beautiful eating. I've eaten the blue kōheru, but these for today are going to be our liveys for the warahinga. Get out, whānau. One to go in the edge bag, our makeshift live bait tank. Oh, we're starting to get them now.
Let's get some net action. We'll try that. I've shifted the burley across into the shade, and we'll see if that makes a difference. There we go, cousin.
Too good, cousin.
Oh, there's our big warahinga baits there, bro. Look at that. Beautiful. That is warahinga candy, that.
Oh, all day.
I te taenga mai o ngā tini kōheru, ka whaihua māua.
Little darty little thing. He's going honeybuck. Oh, all right, let's get him in. Yeah. Oh, you nearly ended up with a kōheru in your shorts.
Oh, cousin.
Crack the thing.
We've got the burley absolutely pumping. They're not really taking the jigs. Well, they are, but it's slow. So, cuzzy Mātene is doing the netting. I'm doing the bag filling.
Holy fingers. How good is that, cousin?
Too good. Do I have to do arms and legs too?
Shot, cousin.
Oh, I might have got a couple of mom on there.
Oh, good shot, bro.
Bit of a mixed bag. Couple of nice kōheru there, whānau. I think we got enough in the edge bag, so we'll chuck these kōheru in. And then we'll carry on our journey, carrying a little bit further north and see what we come across, cuzzy.
Low tide's at 11:30. Oh. So do you want to have a dive first, cousin? And then what do you want to do?
We'll just assess it when we get up there, cousin. We'll just see what the water's looking like. I mean, we can dive as the tide's coming in, no problem. We'll just see how our kōheru are holding up. If need be, we get the warahinga first. If not, let's get in the water, get some kina.
E whai ake nei, ko ngā kina te whainga I te ruku moana ahau.
Those are actually really good, whānau.
He pakanga nui kei te haere mō Mātene.
Cousin!
I'm going to get reefed here, bro.
Tangaroa Kiokio rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon, a time of surging energy and a great time for fishing and diving. Kei Te Hiku o Te Ika māo ko taku karangarua a Mātene e aru ana I ngā warahinga. Kua hopu I a māo ngā kōheru hei maunu ora, engari ko te whakatau I ānei ka ruku moana hau I te tai pakoa.
Ai te whānau, ko tai mai ki tēnei wāhi. Ko te mahi konei ko te ruku moana. So, pulled up to a little spot here. It's not very deep, can see the bottom, it's really clear. Main objective here is really just to try and get some kina
And then once we've finished our dive, we're going to head on out, see if we can find some warahenga. And then who knows, after that we might have some time for some tāmure. So time to get in the wetsuit, jump in the water. All whānau, go time. I ēnei waihuhua o Te Hiku o Te Ika, he maha ngā uri a Tangaroa e ora ana. Pēnei me ngā momo kina, ngā tini ika pēnei me ngā rāngai takeke, me ngā tepepe anō hoki. Engari, ko te kina, te whainga matua I konei. Whānau, these kina are sort of like a dark purple. They got quite long spikes. I trimmed a few of them so I wouldn't poke my fingers, but look at those row in there. Usually when our other normal kina that we get all the time are skinny, these ones are fat. Now our normal kina aren't full of row. They're not too bad. They're sweet, but they're not bursting. These ones here, I'll just pull a little bit out. Look at that row. Wow, those are actually really good whānau. Ka oti te mahi kohi kina, ka huri anō te aro ki ngā warahenga. Ka nuku ki tētahi pūkawa me te whakapai, ko reira ngā warahenga e mate kai ana ki a māua kōheru.
Okay, we're just going to deploy those. It's not really a lot of sign, so we might have to try somewhere else, but let's just see what happens.
The whānau, we're at our first warahenga spot, hoping to get something here. The main thing is we've got bait in the water. You never know what might happen. So whānau, we're in this phase of Tangaroa Kiokio. Tangaroa Kiokio is the end of the Tangaroa phases. It rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon. And it's a time of the maramataka where mahi moana, hiika, is quite productive. You quite often get the settled weather patterns. We've been lucky over the last few days with these Tangaroa phases, been barely a breath of wind. Conditions have been perfect, east coast and west coast. And we're in the north today in Te Hiku o Te Ika, fishing to this phase. From here on, we get closer and closer to whiro, the new moon. So the next maramataka phase is o tāne, tēnō rongo nui, te MΑORI mutu whenua, that really low energy phase. And then of course whiro, the new moon. Oh, something looks like it might be just bothering my line here, whānau, just as I said that. Come on. So I should probably put my life jacket on now that I'm back off the... Oh, I'm on! Coming around the engine. Forward, bro? Yeah, go forward because I'm coming right around the engine. Whānau, I'm on.
I'll go forward, bro.
Fish on. I can see colour already. Literally hooked them in about 6 metres. Whānau, got what I'm pretty sure is a warahenga on here. We've hooked them in really shallow, so... come on. So, just trying to keep the fight. What depth are we, cousin?
We are shallow as...
Yeah, it's probably what I can feel. I can feel it getting...
We're only 10 metres, cousin.
Okay, I get to feel him on the surface here. Whānau. Oh, here he comes again. Almost feels like it's getting sharked, actually. Oh, he just come off. Oh, actually, I think I might have got sharked. You know how you get those little tats? Yeah. That. Feels... I can't actually 100% say it was a shark, whānau, but certainly was a warahenga to start off with. And then all of a sudden, it grew in size. Te pai ana ngā tohu I konei, mā te mahi ngātahi, ka taia pia ngā warahenga te hopu I ēnei wai pāpaku. Yep.
Still got him?
Yep. But whānau, got a fish on. Something certainly come in and hit my livey.
My koheri, oh look, there's the, you'll be able to see it on the surface soon. Only in 10 metres of water. Oh. So we come up with a plan that every time we hook up, we'll push forward with the boat, because we don't want it getting us to the reef straight away. Just let him sort of just tire himself just a little bit so I can manage him when I get him back to the boat a bit easier. Oh, here we go. Oh, warahinga whānau. We have warahinga. I don't know if that's big enough, but it's a warahinga. First one anyway, so we may as well give it back to Tangaroa. Whew, out here in the north, pretty sure there'll be some bigger ones than this, but it's a start, eh, cousin?
The plan worked. The plan worked. That is the second hit, 2 drops.
Look at that whānau. Nice, beautiful warahinga. We'll let this one go. Pretty sure it's might be just legal, but we'll let it go and hope there might be something just a little bit bigger that we can take home for the whānau. Out here on Tangaroa Kiokio. Beautiful day.
Very good.
Here's a start. Ngā mihi Tangaroa. There you go. Whew. Oh, whānau, that was a start. Get some more liveys in before we run out of them. Hopefully we'll get that big warahinga soon.
All right, Nore, I'm going to drop one while you're getting ready.
Go hard, cuzzy.
I don't really want to go down very fast, do they? Oh, I've got one, bro.
All right, all right.
Forward, cousin.
Yep.
Te āhua nei, he ika tino nui ko whakamaua e Mātene, ā ka horo te horea o te aho I tana tākai.
All good, cousin?
Yeah, all good.
Mātene's on.
Oh, this is a big fish, bro.
Are you sure, cousin?
Look at the rod, bro. Go right hand down, bro. Right hand down, right hand down. Right hand down. Fast.
Oh, cousin.
I'm going to get reefed here, bro.
Nah, you're not, cousin. What are you talking about?
Right hand down, bro. Right hand down. We'll chase him down. Yeah, straighten up at that. I don't think this is a kingy, bro. Right hand down. Hard right. Could be a tuna, bro.
E whai ake nei, he whawhai roa, kei mua tonu I a Mātene.
This is exhausting, man.
Ka kikea te prae he nui,
Okay, he's coming up, bro. Right.
ā ka tai hoki te wā ki ahau. Tangaroa Kiokio rises 9 days after Rākau Nui, the full moon, a time of surging energy and a great time for fishing. Kei Te Hiku o Te Ika māo ko taku karangarua Mātene e hi ana, ā ko tahi noiho te warahinga nonohi ko hopu I a māua. Engari, I aia nei nā, ko urua Mātene ki te mura o te ahi, ā he whawhai nui tāna ki tētahi ika nui.
At this stage of the game, you just can't panic. Although I want to get this in, I've actually got to take the time.
Te āhua nei he pakanga roa kei te haere, ā mā te manawa titi katoa.
Just lost all of that again.
Ka pāhure te whātekau mārima miniti, ā e kite ana te ngenge.
But this is exhausting, man. Oh.
Well, you woke up all right. About 37 metres now.
Atu I te kotahi haora e whawhai ana a Mātene, ā te hanga nei e toa ana Te Ika I tēnei pakanga.
Oh, come on, cousin, hold them. Rod, let's go. There you go. Cuzzy Mātene's just having a little drinks break, intermission, while we wait for this fish to tire itself out. We have no clue at this point what it could be. We thought maybe a bronze whaler, perhaps even a tuna. We're out in the waters that could have them. Nothing to say it's not, but just want to see it at the boat now, so at least we know what it was. Hey, cousin.
Okay, he's coming up, bro. Right.
About the surface. That's bronzy, right? Oh, look at that. Woo. Oh, yeah, you can see him down here. It's like a decent-sized bronze whaler shark e te whānau, he mango. Atu I te kotahi haora ko whawhai a Mātene I tēnei ika. Me te tūmona ko tēnā pia he tuna, he aha atu rānei, engari, ko tata tai mai ki te poti nei, ko kitea he mango bronze whaler whānau.
That is probably one of the biggest bronzies I've actually ever seen.
He's a good one, cousin.
What? Oh my God, that is a record fish, that. Holy. Oh my God, bro, that's nearly as long as the boat, bro.
Whoa. Whānau, what we're going to do is get this bronzy as close as we can to the boat. Oh, don't need it to cut it. Actually, hook come out. That is perfect. What we're actually thinking was we'd get it close and worst case scenario, cut the line as close as we can. But it eventually pulled the hook. It was only lip hooked. All right, cousin.
Whoa. Oh my God. I can seriously feel sick.
Look at that. That edge hook held up really good, bro.
Wow.
10 bar lively hook, edge hook. That was some serious pressure on that fish.
I said I wanted to come out and get bent. Wow. I got bent.
Well, that's used up a good hour and a half, cousin. So we are slowly starting to run out of time in the day. We better get back out there, try and get some more kite to take home to our whānau. Epic fight all the same. Too good, cousin. Too good.
Woo! Kua pau te hau a Mātene, a kua taia no te wā kia hau.
We're pretty much down to our last two liveys. Had a few issues getting busted off. Liveys eaten. Sharks. I've just changed over to my authority setup. Spin jig rod, spinning reel. Just so I can put a bit more heat on it if I need to. Or was that my sinker on the bottom? Perhaps. I think I caught the bottom. Oh, actually, there's a fish on.
Fish on, bro.
Fish on. Just went in the bush hound, cuzzy. Let's get it out. Yeah, he's out. Well, whānau, I've got a fish on. I don't know if it's a... Oh, I don't know what it is, but let's just try and get a bit of drag on it. You got him on the surface. Oh. Warahinga whānau.
It's a good one too, bro.
Yeah, the warahinga. Keep moving, cousin. Just slowly.
I'm just thinking about the sharks, bro.
Yeah, hard. Okay, whānau, there's been sharks here. Cuzzy Mātene got a big bronzy. I want to try and get him to the boat. He's going to be green, but get him here as fast as I can. Oh, come on. Oh, here he comes, whānau.
Nice, you, bro.
He's quite green, but if we keep swimming him... Here he comes. How well hooked is he? Any cuts? I think I survived that, whānau.
Oh, the boys do it again!
Check this out, whānau. Beautiful fat warahinga. We finally get to take one home after the trials and tribulations, the sharks. We finally got there, cousin. Well, that's us for today. It's time to head on back before it gets too late, but we've got kite to take home. Too good, cousin. Too good. Fishing this phase of Tangaroa Kiokio. We got some kai. Nore te whānau. Kaua ware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing. Te mahi Ika. E ai ki te maramataka. Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.